In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your JPEG file and put it on your Google Doc so that you can put all of your assignments together. So you'll have a GIMP number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. And each one of those assignments include a number of pictures that you have to add and create in GIMP, export them as JPEGs, and then put them in the Google Doc, and then that's the assignment that you will turn in is the Google Doc. So I have my first GIMP for my drop shadow and my text, and so this is what I just saved as a JPEG. And so I want to go to the internet, and I want to go to my Google Drive. So I can see here that I'm in my Google Drive, and I've went ahead and gone into my multimedia tech folder. You should have a GIMP folder that you created. If you did not, you can easily create a GIMP folder. I'm going to go into my GIMP folder, and you can see that I have a Google Doc named GIMP number 1. And so this is the drop shadow one that is going to be the number 1. And so it's going to have all of my text with my drop shadows. So I'm going to double click. And you can see that this is just a blank document, but it's named correctly, so I know which one I'm going to turn in. And so I want this document right here, this image, not necessarily a document, to be on here. So I'm going to click on my Google Doc. I'm going to split my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to grab it, and it should allow you to insert it. And so there's picture number 1. And so I've added my picture right here. It might be helpful if you did something like this. You inserted a table. And we know that we need 4 images. And so you can pick this one up and put it in the box. And so it'll resize it. And so you can put your second one right here, the third one, and then the fourth one. And then you'll just turn in this assignment and we'll be able to see all of your pictures right here. We also want them to be saved as images in our H drive so that later when we add them to our portfolio, we can do that. But you're just going to turn in your assignment via the Google Doc or via a Google Drive, and so you want to put them on a document like this so that you can submit it once you have all of the documents that you are required to have. And so if I had another picture, I could just drag it to the table, and then I have both of them. So you will have 4 text with backgrounds, with drop shadows, and with outlines, and then you'll do a GIMP number 2, GIMP number 3, and GIMP number 4, and all of those instructions are in Canvas. But you are going to be putting them on a Google Doc so that you can turn them in.